Alright everybody, I know you guys are probably familiar with my collector's edition unboxings, but if you don't know, and you probably don't, I collect and wear G-Shocks, and I like to get the limited ones, and I'm going to do a 2-in-1, I guess, review unboxing, even though I've already seen them, and they're both LRG, and here we go. This is my first one. I have them in some of my videos. I wear it. It's really pretty. It's really cool. I got it. It's only limited to 500, and I got it for, I guess, pretty cheap at $125. And I got it on Craigslist, which is really weird actually, because they're usually on eBay, but can't find these anywhere. I'm really lucky to get this one as my first watch. And the guy who gave it to me never gave me the box, unfortunately. This box. No, this box I just got today. Research. Same kind of metal box, the original. So here we go, glossy lemon yellow. Still got the tag on it. It's really, really bright. Really bright. I like it. Says research, and there you go. I'll probably have more once I get more money.